Howdy, howdy everybody. So, she's over here cleaning up some vacuum pieces, as y'all can see. These little tubes, we're gonna sell them separate from that vacuum cleaner. And then we got all them filters separated, finished listing them. Take a look at the board from yesterday. We got 44 up yesterday as well as the day before, so that's good. So today we only got 2 going out on eBay and 1 on Poshmark. Alrighty, the first thing we got to go to is D1 for a So Beautiful thing. So I just listed these the other day, and I had them for a while. I just had them in my thing. I think it's this one right here. Creating Heirlooms for Baby by Wendy Posh. Sean. I guess that's how you say it. I don't know. Anyhow, something to do with sewing. And this sold for $20.96 plus shipping. Next thing we got to get is some turmerics. Hello Mo. Get down box. I guess it's these bottles. Yep, 2 of them. And these are just 500 milligram a piece. These sold for $18.79 free shipping. Now we got to get a AJ Barrel racing hat from Poshmark. I see the brim of it. So this right here is just an AJ Barrel racing hat. Picked this up for 99 cents. Took an offer on Poshmark of $13 plus shipping. So this is our orders going out today. Let's get them packed up and sent out. Alrighty, so we're going to start packing this stuff up. I'm just going to show you how I send this stuff out. I mean, it's not a lot, so I can show you this stuff. So I'm just going to put this hat down in this bag. Like that right there. Take one of our business cards. Pop it down in there like that right there. Go over to the sealer. Just like that right there. It ain't got to be perfect, you know. And then we got to get a box. Since it's sold on Poshmark, we're going to wedge it down in this 776 box. Because y'all probably asking, well, why are you sending it priority mail? Well, on Poshmark, that's how everything's mailed. They picked the priority label, so that's the way it goes, priority mail. But if it was on eBay, it wouldn't be going in this box here. And we're going to cram it down in this box here. Just like it. Now for these peels here, we'll drop them down in the bag. This is just the other half of the bag we had. Thank you. And then we'll just seal this one up. And we'll seal it this way too. Just like it. Give it a nice little presentation. Will them fit down in this one, you reckon? Heck no. So we just take a bubble mailer, straight down it goes. Seal this puppy up, throw it on the scale, 15 ounces. And then we move on to the last and final thing. So this has got a disc in it, CD, see it there? So we got to be a little careful with this one. All I'm going to do is I'm going to take this regular poly mailer and this thing right here. Watch this. Should we bag it? We might as well. Ain't like we got a lot going out today. Throw that down in the bag. I like to use these bags. It just adds that much more to the presentation. You know what I mean? So when you get something that's in a bag, people are like, oh, that's nice. It's in a bag. So I mean, that just adds an extra layer of protection. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and put it in this box here. Just like that. And I'm not going to tape this box, that way they can reuse it. Go green. I'm just going to put this down in here. And this will go first class still. Get off me. So we just going to do that. And to make sure that thing don't slide out, I'm going to fold this real tight up against it like that, and I'm going to tape that. Luckily I got 3 hands. And that'll ensure that that thing don't slide out of that box. So now we're going to weigh that up. 6 ounce. You can see it was on -1. I'll do it again to show you. Oh wow, 7 ounce. 7 ounce. And that's it. That's all the shipping we got. Go us. So I like to show you the death pile as we go. You can see everything's getting littler. The only thing left in that's that salad dish down there on the bottom right there. And that box just got a few odds and ends in it. And then that one's pretty much empty. See that? Just a movie and this thing. These are just all used CDs and stuff I gotta go through. I doubt any of these are worth it, but we'll lot them together if nothing else. So yeah, it's getting smaller and smaller every day. Before long, we're gonna be out of this auction stuff, and I gotta go back to that junk. We better put these back up here before my wife kicks my butt. So, maybe you're asking yourself, if you're like me and you're not selling a whole lot right now, and you get discouraged and, you know, asking yourself, why is everybody else selling so much and I can't sell diddly squat? Well, I mean, you just gotta have patience, you gotta have faith, know what you're doing's right, and just keep grinding, keep listing. I'm getting ready to list something I may never sell, some of these records. These is a bunch of belly dancing records. So we're getting ready to list all of them. And just keep after it. I mean, there's gonna be days where you don't sell one item, where you don't sell no items. And that's just par for the course with eBay. I mean, just keep you know, especially in times like this, and we're in a pandemic and my listings haven't been as strong, but we're fixing that. But just don't get discouraged. You just gotta keep after it and keep doing the right thing, and sooner or later it's gonna work for you, maybe. So that's what I'm doing, just listing and working. And I mean, that's all I can control right now. I can't control people buying stuff. I just put the stuff out there and wait. So if y'all going through the same thing, y'all just keep y'all's heads up and it's gonna get better. Oh, hey, I didn't see y'all sitting over there. Anyhow, that's gonna do it for this video. Maybe you learned something, enjoyed it, I don't know. I mean, I just showed you what kind of day I had. Only 2 sales on eBay. Put up 44 yesterday, 44 the day before, and maybe 40 today. We'll see. I don't know. But yeah, y'all don't get discouraged if y'all are, you know, just starting eBay and you aren't selling every day. You're not selling as much as you want. I consider every sale a victory, and I'm blessed to have these sales. So y'all just keep y'all's heads up. We're gonna keep sitting in here cleaning. She's a cleaning vacuum cleaner part still. Keep listing, and that's all you can do. Just keep at it. But If y'all enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button for me.
And if you haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button.
And then tomorrow, we will see y'all then. I don't know what we'll be doing. Probably still cleaning vacuum cleaner parts. But anyhow, thank y'all for watching. We'll see you guys and gals tomorrow.